What's up, creators? Mari B here. Welcome back to my channel where I share tips and tricks on how to get your message to the masses using media. Now in this video, I'm going to share how to create amazing book covers using Canva without having any design skills and without having to spend a dime. Now let's get to it. So let's talk about book appeal. You want your book to have appeal. You cannot discover new oceans unless you have the courage to lose sight of the shore. Guys, you lost sight once you decided to go ahead and publish your own book, okay? So be excited about that. You've already stepped out of the boat, so now it's time to keep going, okay? Think outside of the box. You're going to create an account on canva.com. Here on canva.com, you can create professionally looking marketing material without breaking the bank. Another website that I found in my journey is called adazing.com. Adazing allows you to create marketing picks for your book in many forms. So you can create free ebook covers, and it's great for like social media posts and getting your book out there. It just shows your book in different forms, like in an ebook or on a phone, someone holding your book at a desk, things like that. Just really good professional looking books, and it looks like your actual book has already been published. So you want to get that done, and it's great to do that ahead of time, which I'll talk about that later. So to help you with crafting your cover, you do need to do a little research on Amazon.com of similar books in your genre to get ideas. So you've already got your theme, you've got your idea. Go on Amazon and see what other books are out there that are similar to what you're trying to put out. So you want to look out for catchy phrases, for wording, for colors, etc. Their book descriptions, the author bio. And if they're bestsellers, take notes, guys, because these are the things that you may want to mimic. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. But most importantly, stay true to yourself. Okay. What I love about Canva is that you don't have to have any design skills. You don't have to be Photoshop savvy to use the service. You can create professional looking marketing material. You can create social media posts. You can create Instagram posts, you can create blog posts, you can create LinkedIn posts. I mean, you name it, they got it. And it's free. So once you create your free account on Canva, they have tons of templates to choose from. And if the picture doesn't fit your theme, you can always do a search because they have royalty-free pictures, which I love. And most of them are for free. Now, some of them, you want to make sure that some of them are not free. Okay, just gonna throw that out there. But goodness gracious, it's like $1 for a picture. If you really, really love it and it goes with your book theme, do it. If you like the photo, you cannot find one to fit your theme that is free, go ahead and spend $1 or $2. It'll be worth it. It's good to, it's okay to invest a little something on the creation of your book. You just want to make sure that you have royalty rights to those pictures. That's really important because you don't want nobody coming back and suing you for using their picture and you didn't ask them or pay for it. So if the book is about you and your life or something like that, using a self-portrait is a great free option. Take a picture of yourself or, oh, that's another thing. A great app that is completely free, guys, is called Snapseed. I have an Android, so I'm not sure about iPhone, but in Android App Store, it's called Snapseed. I think they have it in iPhone, and it's a free download. You can make adjustments to your pictures, any picture, flyers, personal portraits and things like that. So if you wanted to use a personal photo of yourself and you want it to look more professional, you can download the Snapseed app and play with it. And then you, of course, get some feedback from someone to make sure that it's book material, book quality, okay? Print quality, that's really important. So to help with the crafting, make sure you give yourself a little wiggle room when you're playing with the design. And voila, your masterpiece is complete. So now that you've designed your attractive book cover and you're loving it, you're going to download it. Canva allows you to download it. And what I want you to download it, they give you a lot of different options, PNG, PDF, JPEG. So you're going to want to download the image as a PDF file and as a JPEG file. You can also do it as a PNG file, PNG. And the more the merrier, and it's free. So download both for marketing purposes. Send your creation to trusted colleagues or friends to get their opinion. Make a few different cover options just to see which one gets the most likes. And that's what I did with my front cover. I created a couple. I did like 3 different covers of what I liked. I liked the colors that I chose. I thought they went really good. And then I posted it on social media and asked my Facebook friends to help me out with picking which one they liked the best. And so it's a really good, fun marketing piece that you can implement in your book launch to get other people to discover your book, and also to get good feedback. And then use the one that got the most likes, guys. Are you getting excited? You should be. You're at the midway point of your first or second or 100th book. I don't care how many books I publish. Every time I publish a new book, it feels like the first time. It's like, oh, I'm in love all over again. And that's how I feel whenever I do a new book, I publish a new book. I'm like, wow, it's so awesome. I love it. It's a really great feeling. Well, guys, I hope you got some great information from the video. And if you really want to know how to create amazing book covers for your book, I go into further detail, taking you step by step in my Authorship 101 course. So check out the description below. Follow the link to get more information and details on how to get that done. I definitely want to hear from you. If you have any questions, any concerns, you want a recap of this webinar, and join my Facebook group. I have a great support group to help answer questions as well. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more tips and tricks on how to get your message to the masses using media. I look forward to seeing you there, and thanks for watching.